Depending on how wide of a person you are, that's the hammer bar you got to use. For him, this is perfect. If you're wider, you hold something a little wider so that your elbows are under your wrists, but they still could go alongside your body. You see that? So here we go. Let's start with this bar for him. Go ahead, have a seat in the machine. Shoulders are downward, lean back slightly, elbows inward. So you want to grind your elbows in on your side, but keep the shoulders down. Here we go. So when you come down, you pop out your chest, squeeze that upper back. He's sitting there nice and comfortable because we adjusted this so it's right on top of his legs and it doesn't pop up and down. Breathe in on the way up, blow out on the way down, and squeeze that back. Notice his wrists and elbows are all lined up. His shoulders are staying down as much as you can. He's looking straight and breathing comfortably, and he's not moving around back and forth and swinging and breathing the weight down. He's using his lats, his biceps. This is how you get in shape.